This is what happens to a plant when it's shallow watering, because what happens is you just put a sprinkler on or the system, and especially if the plant is growing close to any shrubs or trees, they're going to benefit out of the water faster than before the poor little plant beside it will be able to get it. And it gets so dry, you cannot even hardly squash it. So therefore, in order to maintain the health of your plant, you need to water it at least, if not once a week, twice a week, a good 1 inch or 1.5 inches, and then you'll end up having where the roots will go deeper down into the ground and have a nice root system to where they can survive if you should skip a week or so, rather than the short roots, which if you do skip a week or so, it's just their life. They just cannot make it, because your shrubs and the taller plants beside it that do have their deep rooting system will benefit more out of it than the ones that are shallow.